vocabulary word. Again, it's an intermediate vocabulary word, and it is from chapter 2 of David Copperfield by Charles Dickens, and that is to baffle. And baffle is a verb that means to cause extreme confusion. Something is impossible to understand. So let's see here. I've got something here. Is this a video? Or no, it's just a picture. Okay, so here's a picture of a magician. And here is our example that we can use. The children were watching the magic trick, and they were amazed and confused by the trick. They couldn't understand how the magician did the trick. And we can just say that the magician baffled the children. They were confused and amazed. They couldn't understand what happened. The magician baffled the children. Let's make a how question with that sentence. The magician baffled the children. How did the magician baffle? How did the magician baffle the children? How did the magician baffle the children? Let's answer again, because a lot of times when people ask the word how, you're going to answer. If you want to explain the process, you're probably going to answer with by plus ing. By doing. By doing an amazing trick. Doing an amazing. Doing an amazing. By doing an amazing trick. By doing an amazing trick. He baffled the children. By doing an amazing trick. Baffled. I don't understand what happened. He baffled the children by doing an amazing trick. Okay, let's try another example. Let me get rid of my magician here. Here's another example using baffle. The math problem confused the students. They couldn't find the solution. They couldn't understand the problem. Let's use baffle. The math problem baffled the students. What? I don't understand. The math problem baffled the children. Baffled the students. Let's make a why question. Why did the math problem? Why did the math problem baffle? Why did the math problem baffle the students? Why did the math problem baffle the students? And here's the answer. It was very complex. Now that word complex, C-O-M-P-L-E-X, that means complicated. It's another word for complicated. It was very complex. The math problem baffled the students because it was very complex. All right, let's move on to another vocabulary word. Let me just get rid of this one here. Let's see. Whoops.